Hello everyone. My name is Sai Praveen, and here I am to the present my project on learning analytics for the course of CS 591 Software Project Management. Here I am with my teammates Sudharani and Prithvi, and here now the presentation. You can see the table contents here. And now, what is learning analytics? Learning analytics is basically in order to collect, analyze, and report the data about the learners and their in their context. And why do we need it? In order to teach, learn, and track the students' performance and progress, everyone has many universities has done this. In order to improve the teaching experiences and also the learning experience of the students as well. Now, here are some of the open sources and commercial sources which are present in the market. ADAP is really a famous one in this area of learning analytics. And as here you can see the comparison table between the different kinds of applications which are available right now. Most of them use the Python and in order to so that they can track the data, and most of them obviously use HTML and CSS and JavaScript on for their front end. And they are pretty much compatible with most of the present famous platforms like Mac and Windows. Now coming to the software design and development model, we have chosen the agile model here because it is considered as one of the best model right now compared to the other design development models like waterfall model, where you'll be focusing more on the planning rather than actually the development process. Here in agile, however, we focus more on the prototype development and starting from when we start from the scratch, we use that and use it, and it is better to use the additional functionalities over the which is already present. Now coming to the process diagram of the learning analytics, here the data collection, data integration and preparation, and data analysis. Now, here the data is basically the data which we collect from the various sources like students and the users here. And we will analyze the data, and once we are done with it, we will be interpret in visualize it in much more appealing manner in the form of on their dashboards in the form of charts and colorful graphs and etc. And actionable insights and privacy and security. And privacy and security is really important here because we are in a present in a really dangerous world. Now, coming to this project scope, the main idea of the project scope here is to identify the stakeholders, who is nothing but teachers, students, and administrators here. And in order to provide the personalized focus on the each user and student, and the ultimate goal is to support the student learning process and outcomes and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the teaching and learning methodologies. Now, here are some of the functional requirements: user authentication, data collection and processing, performance monitoring and personalization, adaptability and feedback mechanisms. Yes, and yes. Now coming to the mobile compatibility, mobile compatibility is one of the most important thing here because almost everyone has a mobile, and our application has to be mobile compatible. Now, non-functional requirements, these are some of the requirements where it is necessary, not for the from the point of view of the our project alone, but in general to the other projects as well: reliability, performance, and maintainability and interoperability. And now here is the constraints for the technical platform. We have used Python and Java. We prefer Python and Java for the programming languages, and obviously for the operating systems, the popular ones, Windows, Mac, and Linux. And now coming to the human resource management, yes, WBS. WBS is nothing but a work breakdown system. Here, WBS means breaking down actual work into the much more smaller and manageable pieces. As you can see here in the project, the bigger tasks here are project initiation, plan, and execution, which are further subdivided into 5 and 8 and 7 of their own subtasks. Now, here is a role and responsibility matrix for the project we have done. It is also called a RACI matrix. R being for the responsible, A for the approval, C for consultant, and I for the inform. And this is a whole matrix, and here is a list of the human resources which we have taken here for the use of for the functioning of this project, for the development of this project. And we have taken some of the extra which is necessary here: data analysts and instructional designers and curriculum developers. And you can see their resources and their actual uh, cost here, which we'll see in the next project and next slides. Here's some of the estimates of the like for the lines of code estimation, and here's the functional point estimation. Both more or less comes to the point where $480,000, and our actual project you can see here is a $472,000, which is pretty much close. And now coming to the time management plan, my team, rest of the team will be discussing with that. Thank you so much.